Welcome to another session of Sreenath recipes. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. Today we will see how to make tomato coriander chutney. Let us have a look at the ingredients. Heat 1½ tablespoons of oil in a thick bottomed pan over medium flame and add 4 garlic cloves and 7 red chillies. Sauté this till the garlic cloves turn light brown. Now add 2 cups of sliced onions and a little salt. When the onions turn translucent, add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. When the tomatoes become soft, add 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves. Saute this for 1 minute and turn off the flame. Now allow this to cool and grind this in a blender. This will go nice with dosa, idli and chapati. Please try it out and post your feedback.